Hello, little learners. Let's explore the colors with things we find in nature. It's time for Learn Colors with Kiddo Paathshaala. Let's start the game, children. Look at the bright red apple hanging on the tree. Now, tell me, which color is this? Can you see red color? Select one option. Red apple, black apple, blue apple. You are right, it red apple. Here comes a tiny red ladybug crawling on a green leaf. Now, tell me, which color is this? Can you see red ladybug? Select one option. Green ladybug, block ladybug, red ladybug. You are right, it is red ladybug. Wow! A red rose is blooming in the garden. Now, tell me, which color is this? Can you see red rose? Select one option. White rose, red rose, block rose. You are right, it is red rose. Claps for you. You learn it so fast. Like, share and subscribe to Kiddo Paathshaala for more fun. See you next time.